Hi, everybody. I'm using a new tool that the township has put on the teacher computers called Screencastify that allows me to record what I have on my screen with my voice and make it like a video that I can share with you. So here I am starting on the Perry Township website where I'm sure a lot of you start. Now, if you will, I'm going to play with some of the tools. If you will notice, up here at the top, I'm already logged in to my Gmail account or my Google account. So I won't have to put all of that information in. If you're on a school Chromebook, you're probably already going to be logged in with your Gmail and password when you get onto the Perry Township page. If you are on the Perry Township page and you go to the icon for Google Classroom and click it, you should be able to come up and see all of the Google Classrooms that you are a part of. Now, mine does look a little different than yours because I'm in classrooms that are made just for teachers. But you should have the distance learning classroom that I shared with you last week. So if you click on that, you'll notice that I recently shared a distance learning schedule for you. So you'll see what my plan is for each day. Let's see if we can see what it looks like. There's a little blurb about how it starts on April the 13th and how you need to read both of the slides. Let's see if it'll let me open it, even though there's nothing for you to do on it, just so the document wouldn't get lost in all of the comments that are made on our distance learning. If you are looking at the classroom in what they call our stream, that's where lots of people are making comments and saying things, which is just fine. But I'm going to post the important stuff in the tab called classwork. And that's where you can see this distance learning schedule. Hopefully it won't get lost in everything on all the posts. So when you're looking, you can see there's a little introduction, who this schedule is for. And then on the second slide, you will see what the schedule actually looks like. Make sure you take time to look at it so you can see when I'm going to be posting assignments and when I'm going to have the different Google Meets planned. You'll notice that we're going to have one in the morning, late morning, for reading, and then one in the afternoon, 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock for math. We'll do that on Monday, and then again on Wednesday, and then again on Friday. Those two Google Meets will be for if you need help with your reading assignment for the day. This is our reading Google Meet first. And then in the afternoon, our math Google Meet. Those are so you can ask me questions about the work I've assigned for that day. We'll do that again on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Then on Friday afternoon, that's when we can have down here our social Google Meet, where we can just talk about what we have been doing for the week and have a little chit chat, relax time. So I don't want to get rid of having that fun Google Meet time where anybody can just talk. We're going to keep that one on Friday afternoons. What I do want you to make sure you notice, and I'll go back to my pen so that you can see, this talks about here when work is due. Monday's work is due by 5 o'clock on Tuesday. So you have all day Monday and all day Tuesday to get it done. Then Wednesday's work, right here, is due on Thursday afternoon. So all day Wednesday and all day Thursday to get it done. And then Friday's work, down here in the last box, is due on Saturday evening. So all day Friday and all day Saturday to get it done if you need that time. All right, I'm going to go back to the Perry Township page. And I want you to realize that if you are logged into your account, you should also be able to open your Gmail. Now, I've heard that it isn't always the same for teachers as it is for students. Some students have said that if you are on your Google Classroom and then you go up to the waffle for all of the Google apps, that it's easier to get to your Gmail there. I'm uncertain because it's not the same for me as it is for students. But if I do know that if you click the waffle at the top right for your apps and you go to Gmail, it should open right up if you are logged in to Google Classroom already. And here is where you can go to see any messages that I've posted for ParentSquare or StudentSquare for you. Those should all show up there. And you can also go to the Compose button and send me an email if you would like. You can ask me questions or let me know if you're needing help on anything just by hitting Compose. Let's see if it's going to show what it'll look like. It should eventually come up for a new message if you hit the Compose button, and you can just start typing my name, A. Green, and then I should pop up agreen@perryschools.org. Then you can type a message to me. In the subject line, let me know what the message is about, like I need help or I'm confused, and then send it to me and it should come up and I can read it and then respond to you. Another way that you can get in touch with me is messages through StudentSquare. Now, when I go to StudentSquare, which is basically the same as ParentSquare, since I'm already logged in, I can click here and it's going to take me to ParentSquare. The document that I shared with you the other day that Ms. Keeler made gives some step-by-step instructions on how to get into StudentSquare. So it'll look a little different than mine, but you will still see the same messages that your parents see, as long as whoever posted the message said they want students to see them. Like I posted that I want for our Google Meet for last week, I told down here I want it to be sent to the parents and the students. So that means this will show up in ParentSquare and in StudentSquare. And when you are in StudentSquare, which is a great place to see if specials teachers are posting things or Mr. Heath is or myself, you can hit messages and then new message, and you should be able to send me a message. Now mine looks a little different than yours, but I can send messages here to students and parents or just students, and I can pick who I want to send it to. And you should have something similar. You won't be able to send to all the students and parents, but you will be able to message me. Go down to the bottom and type your message and send it to me. And then I will see it. I'll actually get a notification on my phone. So that's two different ways that you can contact me that will be private and that I should see pretty quickly. All right, I'm going to go and close some of this out. And then I'm going to share this video with you. If you have any questions about how things work, please send me a message through your Gmail account or through StudentSquare, and I'll be sure to check it. I hope this helps you all. Thanks.